Okay, when you're in YouTube Studio, go down to Subtitles and click on one of the videos that you want to create subtitles for. You want to hit Duplicate and Edit on the English Automatic, and then you can see all the text on the left, the video on the right. You can hit pause while typing, and it'll stop every time you do some editing. Let's get rid of the first thing, put a capital HI, and then you can see immediately it changes on the screen. Go ahead and make any changes that you think are necessary. When you want to restart a section of the captions, use paragraphs and continue editing anything you need. When you've done all that you need to do, just go up to the top right to the blue Publish button, select that, and it will be the one that is automatically used. So that's how you do it when a video already exists. If you're uploading a current video, go up to Create, Upload Video, hit Select Files, find where it is, select it, open it up to upload it. So head into the advanced options down the bottom of that first page and make sure you've got English United Kingdom on. That way it's going to automatically transcribe using British English. Don't worry about here for these add subtitles because that is going to make you do it manually, so we don't want to do that. What you want to do is just go to the last page. I'm going to put this one onto private and then hit save and wait for it to upload. So it will take a little bit of time to upload. Once it's uploaded, then you just have to be patient and wait and refresh the page so that the subtitles page refreshes. And there you can see our videos just there. So now I can go in and do what we talked about at the beginning of the video. You can see now that the subtitles still are not automatically transcribed as yet. So we just need to wait. I'd give it around 5 minutes. Jump out of the video, subtitles, jump back into it again, and duplicate and edit the English subtitles, and there we have it, the transcription, quick and easy. It does take some time to go through with changing all of the words that are wrong, but that's how you do it.